On behalf of Indiana American Water, I'd like to welcome you to this exciting and long-awaited day as we officially cut the ribbon on our new water treatment plant here in Winchester.
Thank you, everybody, for coming. First thing I want to say, it's been a great relationship working with Indiana American Water. This water plant is a major investment, $27 million investment in this water plant, which is great.
And so today, this is a celebration really of progress, the partnership that was mentioned by the mayor, and we would ditto from our side, and the shared future, vision for Winchester, right? That's all wrapped up into this project.
It came in great. We came in at budget, and about a week before it was actually due to be in service.
So the upgraded plant has a firm capacity of about 1.25 million gallons per day and a maximum output of about 1.9 million gallons per day. So a significant increase that ensures Winchester is well prepared for peak use and emergency situations.
We look forward to a long and lasting relationship with the community, Mayor, and plan to be here a long time. This is a symbol of that and a symbol of progress and resilience and shared success. So we're excited about that. Thank you again for being part of that journey and allowing us to be here to serve you water. Thank you.
I appreciate the investment in the community and look forward to working with the water company and helping Winchester grow, and they're going to grow with us for the future. Thank you.
Indiana American Water. We keep life flowing.